Another interesting tool is create a sun ray. We begin from photo, this image. Okay, going to the edit, and from here is the sun ray. First, place sun center. If you click on it, it's automatically detected the sun source. In this case, it's not work good, but it's here, for example. You can click and drag this dot here, but you cannot see any ray because you have to increase amount of rays. And as you can see, we have see the sun rays. The interesting part is that if you moving your sun, it's automatically detected these trees and it's hiding behind the tree. For actually, this tree is masking this rays. For example, this tree is automatically detected that. Interesting. And this masking this rays with penetration, you can decrease or increase amount of that masking to see better the rays. Nice. For better understanding of rays, I bring it there to better seeing that. That I give you another example to better understanding. So this is an amount of that. This is overall log. You can, if you decrease the number of that, you can see the sun better. Overall log. Sun ring length. You can change this length. If the shorter length, you can create some lights from this sun ray. Penetration, I explained it before. Sun setting, it's changing the sun ray radius, amount of the glow of that sun, sun glow amount. This is an radius, this is an amount. Ray setting, number of ray, how much the ray do you want, or randomize them. How much warmth do you want? Warm or cooler for sun, warmth for ray. Interesting. Now you can see the better of ray here. Nice. You're going back. Give you another example. You can revert to the original. Go to the catalog. Another interesting test is here. You can create a ray from here. In this image, the software automatically detected where is the sun just by placing sun center. As you can see, automatically created here. It's detected, okay, sun from here and it comes from this window. Just change amount, and boom, it's created sun here for you. Nice. You can play with penetration and better seeing that. Nice. Or you can make it amount bigger, or you can with masking the radius erase this effect from here, and we don't have rays here. So now we have better blocking the masking the rays from here and here, and we have natural look from this window. Nice. This software is very powerful with masking. I explain masking a lot. Again, here, if you select the brush, if you erase the effect of this tool, paint, add that effect. So I erase it with this brush. As you can see, the red area means that this effect, this tool is 100% in the red area, and in the not red area, we have 100% that you can change the size, softness, and strength, how much, 100% to erase it. If you want to that effect come back from here, you can paint it again. Adjustment, masking. I explain masking a lot. You'll learn it. And you can see all of these effects and change it. I prefer to more warmth from sun and from rain. It's not now, it's nice. So see less effects. Wow, it's interesting. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.